All right, we have a neat shape here, and we're gonna need to look at some angles inside polygons. So of course we've got rectangles, so I can add those angles on. And you may or may not know, but for a pentagon, the angles are 108. If you don't know that, then there's two ways to find it. It's the number of sides minus 2, so in this case 3, times 180 divided by 5, which gives 108. Or we can do the exterior angles of a regular pentagon, 360 divided by 5, which is 72, and then do 180 minus that. Remember, exterior angles are these ones here. So yeah, so they're on a straight line, the interior and the exterior, so that's why you do that. Right, and we're trying to find x. So how are we going to get there? Well, we've got 90 degrees here. Remember, we've got 108 here. So I can actually work out that one because it must be that the whole thing adds to 360. So I've got 198 if I add those two. What do I need to get to 360? Well, if I add 2, I get 200. So it's going to be 162. Okay, I've got this angle, I've got this angle, I just really need this angle here. And you can see that these two intersect. So if I can work out this angle, I'm sorted. Now this, remember, is 108 from before, like similar. And then this whole thing is also 108, which means that that angle there is 18. If I add these two together, I'm going to get 126. So that angle, I need to add on something to 126 to get 180. It's going to be 54. Okay, I hope you're with me on this. So I've got 54 here. I'm just using the angles on the pentagon and the rectangles and, doing lots of sums because I've got triangles. And now I've got a quadrilateral. So I'm going to add the 90 and the 54 and the 162. So 54 plus 90 is 144. Going to add the 162. That's going to give me 6, 0, and then a 3. So now I just need to get to 360 so I can see x is going to be 54. Brilliant. Note that you could also do this question by looking at this figure here, which is also a pentagon. So you know the angles add up to 540 in total. So if you add this one, this one, this one, and this one, and then just do 514 minus that, you will also get x, which will again give you 54.